Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting episode of Big Dreamer. Well yes, हर एपिसोड में किसी ना किसी की ड्रीम्स के बारे में हम जानते ही हैं, हर नए स्ट्रगल के बारे में हम सुनते हैं, बट आज जो हमारे साथ हैं, शी इज़ इंडीड वेरी स्पेशल because she represents a very strong community. Well yes, we have a female guest with us this time and इनकी एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन एकेडमिक्स में जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग ये थी उससे कहीं ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग ये उभर के आई हैं अपने बिजनेस में. तो मैं तो इनका इंट्रोडक्शन दे ही देती हूँ बिकॉज वी हैव द वेरी वेरी सेंसेशनल क्यूट बोल्ड एंड फियर्स रेखा चिन्नरी विद अस एंड हार्टीएस्ट वेलकम मैम एंड यू लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस एंड आई वुड लाइक कि आप अपना एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए दीजिए.
A very good afternoon to everybody who are watching me today. This is Rekha Chinnari, Managing Partner, Kanak Mahalakshmi Jewellers and Co-founder Zevar Collections Private Limited.
Alright, so well we know that she is into the business of jewelries and she herself is a beautiful gem, I would say. And let's not take any more time, quickly moving to a lot of questions that I have prepared for you and our lovely viewers. Ma'am, as I know about your educational background, थोड़ी सी उसके बारे में जानकारी and how did it all turn into craving to get into the business? Please tell us.
I don't know how many people have read my previous interviews which I have given with multiple people. Yes, I am an aeronautical engineer and aircraft maintenance engineer, which we say AME, basically which by choice and by fluke I have entered into my family business, which was started by my mom in Way 92. It was started by my mom. She started as a wholesaler from home only and slowly we dived into retail business, and now you can see previously
most leading jewelry houses that we have in town, of course, Kanak Mahalakshmi Jewellers. So congratulations on that part and lovely success indeed. And moving on to something more, as you said, it was a fluke, it was a coincidence you getting into the business. So do you miss being what you chose and you getting into the business? So is there any deviation and is there anything that you regret about?
There is no regret as such. Businessmen, though it is a novice or they are in the field, they never should have any regrets. And by passion, whatever you do, either a business or a service, you should love that whatever you're doing, then definitely
passion for work is what leads to success. Absolutely. Moving on to my next question, ma'am. It's always said that being a woman is definitely a very very important role because we need to play different genres, whether it's of a daughter or a responsible wife or a daughter-in-law or a businesswoman, if I can say. So how has been your responsibility towards business and involvement with the family?
I must say women is a born multitasker. So they don't have to mold themselves in a particular role. As and when the need rises, they just mold into the particular section or the particular whichever character we want to just drone into. So I don't think it is very difficult for any women to just take the specific role what they want to. So women, if they aim, definitely can achieve anything in this world.
Absolutely, women can achieve anything they want. And on that account, ma'am, as we know, being responsible individuals, we all have certain responsibility to pay, not just for our family and ourselves, but also as a contribution to our society. So as I know about you, have been into a lot of social servicing and a lot of giving to people in need. So we would like to know something about your contributions towards our society.
I must say this, recently I developed this knack of getting into this social service and all. Before also I was doing, but it was not popular as I am doing it now. Being an entrepreneur, it becomes more popular when people recognize you and you doing something for the society and giving back to the society. We are all here to give back to the society in some or the other way. So I am very happy to be a part of such organizations like I am a part of Rotary. So I am part of Rotary Club of Meadows. So I have done lot of work there. I mean, though indirectly or directly, because due to some time crunches I am not able to be present physically there, but yes, my contributions towards the society is always there in some or the other part. If you could see in recent activity in Roger Pobo, when
Right.
in this pandemic situation, we have also contributed to bring smiles to some of the people who are from the lower background or the upper background. It doesn't matter from which background they are coming in. Just was aim to bring in smiles to those particular people that see everybody is losing some or the other person in the family. So,
So
we
let's spread some happiness.
Yes.
Lovely thought. Well, I must say, she is as sweet as she talks, and she does beautiful work through her actions. And here I take my next question for you, ma'am. Well, everybody has a certain life-changing moment in life. What would be yours?
Of course, me coming into this family business was definitely a life changing
Changer, absolutely.
life changer, because I was completely into different kind of genre. I was into aircrafts, I was into manuals, I was into family, everything. But yes, due to some unavoidable situations, it completely changed. But yes, I am very happy that people are recognizing me. Already Kanak Mahalakshmi has made its mark.
Absolutely.
So we, it's my sincere. I mean, I am putting forth my towards my PR, towards my Kanak Mahalakshmi's PR so much that people, we already had everything in place, such as we were ISO certified since
Right.
long, but people were not aware that being
So
a
creating good client base is obviously the very need of any business.
Yes, not only that, we were being awarded so many awards
Right.
in recent past that we are very happy that people are liking what we are doing.
Right.
It's not about product, it's about service.
Service. Absolutely. Well, very beautifully said. And now that when we talk about PR, ma'am, what were the initiatives that you have taken? Because PR is a very wide range of marketing, because reaching on to your client, giving product services, in return there are exchanges. So, dealing with all the chaos is a big trouble. So, how do you manage your PR? How do you develop your PR?
It's very difficult, yes. Not everybody is so vocal about what they take.
Right.
So people, though they like my products, they were not very vocal. So what we have done is we have created Google reviews.
Right.
So which was very new, because now everybody is into social media. So whatever they take from our outlet, they just don that and they just put into their neck piece or earpiece
Give a
and just
picture of it, drop
give
a
a picture of it,
review.
and they give a review of it. If you could see, we are the most rated Google
Right.
reviews. If you see, mostly are very good reviews, and these are not fake, and these are not sponsored ones also.
Right.
So those things we never
Organic
do it.
reviews.
Very organic reviews.
Lovely. All right, so here we get to know about her PR strategies, of course. But as you mentioned, ma'am, it's a family legacy, and your brother is also a part of this business. So we always know that there is a bit clash between sister and brother. वो छोटी मोटी लड़ाइयाँ तो होती ही रहती हैं. So how is your relationship with your brother in terms of business?
Frankly speaking, we have never fought till date.
Oh, lovely. Not even no differences of opinion when it comes to business?
Yes, in business definitely, though he is younger to me, but he behaves as if he is elder to me, and he is like a, what to say, fatherly figure will be too much, but yes, he behaves, he is very protective about me. And even my daughter also, he's very protective, and I'm glad that I have such a wonderful brother like him.
That's so lovely. All right. So as you mentioned, ma'am, you have a younger daughter.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. How old is she?
My daughter, she's Akshara, and she is 9 years old, and I love her.
Absolutely. All right. So, ma'am, handling business, taking care of the family, you must be also having, like, are you married or anything that you want to share when it comes to your personal and family life?
I won't deny, I was married for 11 long years,
Okay.
and I'm a widow as of now.
Okay.
I lost my husband very recently. I won't deny that. The day I started hiding this fact, it created lot of problems, mental trauma, everything. But when I started, and when I started being vocal about it, it really eased me. And in many shows till date, I have been very vocal about my status, what I am into now. I am a widow and a proud single mother. and backed up by a very wonderful family and a wonderful brother who takes care like anybody. And I mean, I never felt that I need a man in my life.
That is absolutely wonderful, and we women are blessed with self-efficiency, I believe. So we definitely, a man would need us for sure because we always rock, isn't it?
Yes, true.
All
I
right.
agree.
So yes, that is some feministic statements, but then yes, of course, we are independent and self-sufficient. Moving ahead, as lady entrepreneur, what would be your one tip to all the upcoming or aspiring women entrepreneurs who want to join the business?
As I already told you earlier in this meetup, that whatever we had discussed and we had a nice jolly time now, that we women are multitaskers. We can manage everything. We know, starting from the home only, those who are homemakers, we shouldn't, we should see that nice tackling skills what they have. So if they bring that tackling skills and how to manage time,
Proper
manage
management
family,
skills, right.
it's right from the beginning. It's there. It's deep embedded. So you don't have to worry about how to come in business, whether we can do it properly or not. A lady is born with management skills.
Absolutely wonderful, very well said. Moving about to again your business, ma'am. What is the USP of Kanak Mahalakshmi Jewellers when it comes to your product range?
Very good question, I must say. But yes, Kanak Mahalakshmi, if you say, it's a brand by itself, and we are having lot of products in our outlet.
Right.
Like starting from gold, silver, diamond, platinum, you name a metal, we have it in our store.
Right.
And the basic USP of Kanak Mahalakshmi is that, I would say, that we are a finest caterers of lightweight jewelry. If you say lightweight jewelry, you will find it in my store. I am not saying that we don't have heavy weights also, but yes, lightweights everybody cannot cater to. And Kanak Mahalakshmi, with that square feet area, we are not supposed to have ISO certification also.
Right.
So what we did is, people had a wrong thinking and a wrong a perception that a small jewelry store cannot have a good quality of products.
The basic mindset of people.
Yes. But by doing the ISO certification, we have broken the fad that a small jewelry store can also cater to quality products also. And we have been standing to our vocal for local, Atmanirbhar Bharat. This, if you say, we are already doing it in our store.
As ma'am says, vocal for local, well, she clearly sets an example. She's wearing this lovely handloom attire, I must say. You have craving for handloom as far as...
Yes, I have done lot of ramp shows,
Oh,
and
lovely.
I just love, I'm not beautiful though, but yes,
You are drop dead gorgeous. Please let me correct you on this. You're gorgeous and you're a lovely human being, and it was really exciting. You know, after very long we met, a personality who's so charismatic.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, moving ahead. Ma'am, everybody has some or the other fear. So what has been your greatest demerit or weakness?
If I don't try, that will be my greatest fear. You should try, and if you don't succeed, then it will be your real, you are not winning it for sure.
Absolutely. And टेक्निकलिटीज़ बहुत सारी डिस्कस हमने करी ली है, बट एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन, बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड करना हर बिजनेसमैन का ड्रीम होता है. सो एज अ बिजनेस वुमन, व्हाट इज़ योर मिशन, व्हाट इज़ योर विजन विद रिगार्ड टू फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ महालक्ष्मी ज्वेलर्स?
We are already into it. So we have Zevar Collections Private Limited, which is a sister concern of Kanak Mahalakshmi Jewellers.
Okay.
As everybody knows it, we have been very vocal about it. And due to this pandemic times, we have done this Zevar Collections online. But due to transit insurance problems and there are so many glitches, and being staying at Bhubaneswar, it is also creating lot of. But yes, our website is all ready, and we are launching very. After this. COVID guidelines are eased out, we will definitely launch it in a very big bash manner.
Alright, so इतनी सारी सीरियस टॉक होने के बाद बारी आ जाती है मेरी सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द शो, and that is of course the chit chat. So I'm again welcoming you because this is gonna be very thrilling. So audience, get ready for the chit chat at Big Dreamers powered by Opulent Decor by Haryana Handloom and Muskan Spices. Well yes, मैम इस राउंड के लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा सोचने का. It has to be very quick. तो देखते हैं, तैयार हैं आप?
Let's see.
Let's see. All right. So on that spirit, here comes my first question. What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is paneer.
Paneer. And have you had a crush or a boyfriend in your school days?
Yes, I had.
How many?
Count is difficult.
Okay, the count is difficult. Oh, wonderful. What is your favorite color?
Favorite color is black.
Black. Sea beach or a hill station?
Sea beach.
Absolutely. You like traveling?
Yes. lot.
Destination. Favorite destination?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. All right. So, is there a thing कि we are always very constant ना कि नहीं इस ड्रेस के साथ ये वाला फुटवेयर चाहिए. So how particular are you? सब कुछ मैचिंग होना चाहिए.
Maximum times तो होता ही है.
All right. So 2 things that you hate absolutely.
Liars.
How romantic are you?
वो रोमांटिक होने से पता चलेगा. अभी तो नहीं बता
नहीं
सकते.
बता रही है. All right. Any crush in Hollywood industry from our Odia industry?
No.
No. एकदम सही जवाब आया. मैम ने बोला no. कुछ आगे बात ही नहीं है. Okay. So what will be the first thing you would like to change within you? Nothing.
I am which I get very angry very soon.
Okay.
I
So
get very angry.
temperament.
Temperament.
टेम्परामेंट मैम आई थिंक वो हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है मैम. गुस्सा होते रहना चाहिए. ऑलराइट. सो मूविंग अहेड टू द if somebody as your competitor comes with you and she has talked very harsh about you, so how would you greet her?
I just keep quiet and say hi.
Hi. Alright, talk to my hand. Moving ahead, if at all you get a chance to play in a movie, which movie would you play and which character would you choose?
I'm not that movie kind of person. I generally don't see lot of movies, but yes, anything which can give a message to the society, I would like to play such kind of movies.
Lovely. Favorite Bollywood actress?
Bollywood actress Vidya Balan.
Vidya Balan. Very, very distinguished choice, I must say. I get this name very rarely, but I must mention she's a great actress. Moving ahead, your favorite summer activity?
I want to go to any place which is secluded.
Okay, and as we have finished our chit chat with you basically, and I must mention the answers were very straightforward and fun loving, so it was lovely having time with you. But yes, before we come to the end of this beautiful episode, we would like to hear how was your experience in the show and 3 lines about Utkal Updates.
It was very nice, and I would like to appreciate Shushri for this, for being so active and so she followed up with me for this particular show.
Absolutely.
And Utkal Updates will definitely rock for such big dreamers will definitely rock, I must say.
So thanking you, and it was absolutely a pleasure to have you. It was a lovely episode, I must mention. Amazing answers, and I had a great time. I hope viewers also enjoyed the episode. So keep watching, and before you leave, we have a small token of love from Muskan Spices.
Thank you, Shefali, for bearing with me and my answers too. Thank
You
you.
were lovely. You were absolutely lovely. So here we come to an end of this exciting episode. It was lovely interaction with Rekha Chinnari. I hope everybody enjoyed, and I would insist everyone कि आप लोग देखते रहिए, enjoy करते रहिए. बहुत सारी और नई stories और struggles हमें यहाँ जानने मिलेगा. So keep watching Big Dreamers, powered by Opulent Decor by Haryana Handloom and Muskan Spices. Thank you everyone.